Free agent will pay my tour guys here my money tonight. The Lakers and Clippers are both staying at home. I'll tell you how they fare.
Oh yeah, I was on my AT house talking about my friend Samara. Well, she wasn't just my friend though. She was also my cousin-in-law. I couldn't believe my cousin messed that up. You know.
Yeah.
And so Samara's a good girl.
Well.
Yeah. Yes, indeed, man. Oh, you cleared out your history, huh? I wouldn't do that, me.
Shut up.
You shut up. Because me, that means I'm gonna want to find the videos again.
Well, find the videos again.
Because if I keep the history, it makes it easy for me to find it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you, me, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta go to Mecca Con, man.
I don't got to do shit.
The hell with that. Because you missing out on fun and adventure. You know that? The shit he answer.
I might go, but I can't guarantee nothing, man.
He's lying, everybody. Because he last time he said he was going to go, and he never went. Missing out on a fun adventure. With video games, lots to see.
What kind of video they say they be having?
Did you see my episode from
Nope.
from 2016?
Nope.
Oh, come on, they were playing Super Nintendo, old Nintendo. Man, you.
What game?
What game?
Yeah.
Mario.
That you actually played in the.
Yeah, and you don't have to pay for it.
You got to go in there, though.
Yeah, you gotta pay to go in there, you idiot.
When you pay to go in there?
Yeah, Bobby paid for it. Unfortunately for me, because I wanted to pay my damn self. But you, sometimes in the 50s or the 60s. I knew it. See, folks? At least it's not 200 and something. You heard me?
Right.
Because at least you're paying almost El Cheapo, you know? I hope so. Bastard probably lying. Oh, you. Oh, see what he did here? He assaulted me. Y'all see that? And it hurt. Yeah. Well, oops, I assaulted him. Now you gonna press charges? He pressing charges. Y'all heard him? You a snitch. You know that? A snitch. Yeah, a snitch. Whatever. Dirty bastard, you. Hey, so you gonna embarrass me on my show? I don't embarrass you on your show. MAASS.
Better time.
What? MECHA. You got it?
Yeah.
You did. What a joke.
1 million people evacuated the hurricane zone.
So you gonna break my camera?
In a war game,
Jackass.